Atkins Civil 3D video series, Storm 4A, Existing Storm Demo Pipe Network. This video illustrates A. Insert pipe breaks in existing storm pipe. B. Default settings for existing storm demo. C. Create existing storm demo pipe networks. D. Merge existing storm into existing storm demo. And E. Change existing storm network to existing storm post demo. The portions of the existing storm system that remains in service after completion of construction will be shown on the other category improvement drawing, road, sewer, and water. The portions thereof that are to be removed will not be shown thereon. In order to accomplish this, the existing storm demo pipe network needs to be created. The portions of the existing storm system that are to be removed will be split from the existing storm pipe network and merged into the existing storm demo network. At the location where a C storm pipe or structure is connected to an existing storm pipe, a pipe break needs to be inserted into the existing pipe. In order to maintain the correct invert elevations, all interconnected existing storm pipes and structures that are to be split and merged need to be selected at the same time. Insert pipe break in existing storm pipe network. Zoom to location in plan view. Pick an existing pipe or structure. Move cursor and right click. Select Edit Network. Null Structure. Structure Only. Hover over the existing pipe at the location where the C storm connects to the existing storm. When the connect glyph appears, pick Escape. Pick the existing pipe on each side. They will be shown as separate pipes. Repeat for all existing storm locations. The default settings have been set for existing storm demo. Right-click the drawing name. Edit drawing settings. Object layers. Pipe is existing storm demo. Pipe labeling, existing storm demo. Pipe and structure table, existing storm demo. Pipe network section, existing storm demo. Pipe or structure profile, existing storm demo. Structure, existing storm demo. Structure labeling, existing storm demo. Right-click pipe network. Edit feature settings. Default pipe styles. Structure style, existing storm demo. Pipe default style, existing storm demo. Structure plan label style, existing storm plan. Pipe label style, existing storm plan. Structure profile label style, existing storm profile. Pipe profile label style, existing storm profile. Structure section label style, existing storm plan. Default parts list, existing storm. Default name format. Network name template, existing storm demo. Create existing storm demo pipe network. Ensure drawing is in world coordinates. UCS enter. W enter. Home ribbon, create design panel. Pipe network icon. Pipe network creation tools. Network name, existing storm demo. Network parts list, existing storm. Layers, existing storm demo. OK. Surface name, existing surface with aerial. Alignment name, Ken Crown. Structure label style, existing storm plan. Pipe label style, existing storm plan. OK. Merge existing pipes and structures that are to be removed into the existing storm demo pipe network. Turn off all layers except EX-STRM so that pipes and structures can easily be selected. LA enter. Right-click all. Visibility off. Select EX-STRM. Turn the visibility on and close Layer Manager. Select all interconnected pipes and structures that will be removed. Use window selection at various locations. In the context sensitive ribbon, split network icon, select the network, existing storm demo, OK. While the existing storm demo parts are selected, use Properties palette to change the part styles. Pick arrow to the right of all, Structures, Style, Existing storm demo. Pick the arrow to the right of Structure, Pipes, Style, Existing storm demo. Pick the arrow to the right of Pipes, All, Layer, EX-STRM-Demo. A message will appear that one or more objects has been moved to a frozen or turned off layer. Close. The enhancements for the EX-STRM-Demo objects need to be changed from EX-STRM-Enhance to EX-STRM-Demo Enhance so that they may be frozen along with the EX-STRM-Demo objects. LA Enter to open a layer manager. Turn on layers EX-STRM, EX-STRM-Demo Enhance, and EX-STRM Enhance, and close Layer Manager. Select as many enhancements on existing storm demo objects at one time as desired. In Properties palette, change the layer from EX-STRM Enhance to EX-STRM-Demo Enhance. Escape. Repeat until all EX-STRM-Demo enhancements have been changed. When working with a water improvement drawing, it was determined that pressure networks cannot be split and merged in the same manner as with gravity pipe networks. As set forth in Video Water 4A, a separate drawing had to be created in order to create the pressure networks for the existing water facilities that are to remain in service after construction. For this pressure network, Post Demo was added to the name. As a result, EX water referred to both the water facilities that are to be removed or abandoned during construction and those that are to remain in service after construction. To alleviate any confusion between what is to be removed and what is to remain in service when working with the various data shortcuts, the name of the EX-STRM network needs to be changed to EX-STRM-Post Demo, which is easily accomplished. In Prospector, expand Pipe Networks, expand Networks, right-click Existing Storm, Network Properties, Information tab, add -post demo to the name, apply, OK. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.